Hey guys, welcome back. So today I really want to sit down and play with some makeup. It is 8 p.m. right now, and for some reason I felt like doing my makeup. I didn't wear it to work today. Felt like bumming it earlier, and then now that after I've showered and cleaned up, I'm like, you know what, let's play with some makeup. So I got my wine. I really want to play with some glitter specifically, so that's why you guys see this glitter look. I don't necessarily show the exact palette and shades I'm using, but I kind of tell you guys in the beginning. But I think if you just kind of look at it, you could easily create it with something in your own collection. I just kind of wanted to hang out and show you guys how I created this look. You could do with like any color scheme that you have or any glitters, anything like that. So be sure and subscribe, and I will see you in a second. Alright, so I already prepped my eyes. I just put on some concealer and then I set it with a just nude shade. So I'm not really going to be showing everything I'm using just because the glitter I'm going to be using is not available anymore. At least I can't find it. It might have changed names. I'll have to email or DM the owner of it. But this is what the glitter I'm going to use today looks like. So I kind of centered the entire look around this. I just thought it looked so pretty and fun and has me excited for spring and summer. So I'm gonna use that, and I asked my husband if I should do a like green or blue shade in the crease, and he voted blue. So I whipped out the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette because I thought it'd be perfect for this. So I just kind of have the shade next to me so I can kind of see what I'm working with. I'm gonna put in a mint shade to start. It can be any kind of mint that you're wanting. I'm just trying to like lay down the first little bit of blue and green. I thought it could be like a really fun look. I haven't played with my Dear Katie Brown glitters in so long, and what's crazy is I forgot that they even used to come in these little tins, and now they're like in these really beautiful palettes, and it's honestly just crazy how far she's came. I haven't played with glitter as much lately just because I'm still into makeup, but I'm more into fashion. Like, I love makeup, but I can't do like a crazy makeup look whenever I need to get photos or anything like that. So, and I try not to when I'm going to work. So that's why lately it's just like a couple times a week, but I still like to have some fun. Like tonight, I've been drinking wine. Thanks Pot Beauty for the glass. Not sponsored. I don't know why anyone would think it would be, but they sent me some PR and it had those cute little glasses with lipsticks. But anyways, so just kind of felt like playing with some makeup. Because tomorrow, I know I probably won't be doing anything too crazy because it's my dad's birthday. So I'm gonna be out celebrating with him. Alright, this blue in here is kind of almost like teal. So there's a shade in here that's like a green, like teal. I don't even know how to describe it, but it looks like the predominant shade in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with that and focus this in the crease again. I haven't done a blue look in a minute. I know the second choice was a bright and fun look, and I know you guys said you really wanted to see one. So that is what we are doing today. I don't want to blend it too high because I don't like when it goes like all the way up. And then I'm gonna go back in with that same brush, and I'm just gonna dip in and deepen up the outer portion so my glitter has something to kind of nicely transition to. I kind of like to just place it because I feel like sometimes these can get a little tricky to work with compared to his other formulas. And then I'm gonna go back in with this one and just kind of help blend. I feel like some of these blues though just get a little patchy after you like layer them. I don't know why. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and go for the glitter so then I can mess with everything after it's on and see how I'm feeling, what I want to fix. Obviously this is gonna be like cleaned up, so do not look too far into that. So I'm gonna go in with that glitter. It's like a blue and green mix. It's by Dear Katie Brown. I like these because they're pressed glitter. I just feel like they stick to my eyes really well. I really hope this doesn't stain. But every time I wear the blood sugar or blue blood palette, it always stains because I think it's because it's pressed pigments. Pretty. This is why glitter. It just makes everything better. Now the trick is pulling it so the eyes are even because my eyes aren't even. Now it's time to wing it out. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Alright, so rest of the face is done. It's time for the bottom. It's gonna kind of repeat what I did up top. So I'm just smudging the blue, the mint, and then the darker colors that I used. I always find the outer corner, so I want it to be the deepest there. So like that, I'm gonna add some black liner. Alright, I found some black liner. I had like a baby Pat McGrath one left, luckily. And I just paired some lip liner with my Tarte H2O gloss in the shade Sandy Toes. I just think it looks super pretty. I'm really into a glossy lip lately. So yeah, I kind of want to add like another color on the inner corner, but just in case I hate it, I'm going to go ahead and take some photos and close out this video. I'm definitely going to be adding something, and if you guys see that photo on my feed, I ended up liking it more. If not, I ended up hating it, and I'm glad I took photos of just this. So thank you guys for watching and hanging out. I just really wanted to play with some makeup and film a random fun glittery eye for you. Honestly, for me, I just felt like playing with makeup. But yeah, be sure and follow me on Instagram if you guys like my content. I post there every single day. I do a lot of fashion and beauty on there as well. Be sure and subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you like these quicker tutorials. Thank you guys. Bye.